What are you doing?
Well, we had a water leak. I would have filmed earlier to show everybody. So we had to dig everything up. And it was leaking right there. The whole yard was flooded all the way to over there. We've had helpers today. So, being that these pipes aren't completely lined up, a union and a pressure joint wouldn't work. So I've dug back that way past the pipe so we have a little flex. So we're going to put 2 couplings and a piece of pipe in there, and that should solve the problem. And another little helper. Come on, kids. Hey, come on. Hey, Storm. She doesn't listen so well yet. Storm. Snacky? Yeah, she knows that though. Snacky. Yeah, selective hearing. So if anybody's ever worked on a water leak outside, or you may need to in the future, and you don't need to know that little handy trick, you get you a wet dry vac. When your hole is full of water, you use it and you vac the hole out. What he's doing right now is there's a union there that he's gonna take apart, so it gives him some more play right there, and we can get that patch put in there. Come on, guys, go.